In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. If you need to plan a meeting for work, school, or a quick group discussion, Microsoft Teams makes the process simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a meeting from the Teams calendar, enter the key details, and save it so your participants can be invited automatically. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the calendar section. This is where you can view upcoming meetings, check your availability, and create new events. The calendar is the best place to schedule meetings because it gives you a clear view of your day and helps you avoid time conflicts. Once you're in the calendar area, click on New Meeting. This will open the meeting creation form where you'll enter all the information needed for your event. If you're just scheduling several meetings regularly, getting familiar with this screen can save you a lot of time. Next, fill in the meeting details. Start by adding a clear title for the meeting. Choose something specific so participants immediately understand the purpose of the call. A good title makes the invitation easier to recognize later, especially if someone has a busy schedule. After that, specify the date and time for the meeting. Make sure you choose the correct day, start time, and end time. It's always a good idea to double check this section before moving on, since the timing is one of the most important parts of the invitation. If your meeting is for people in different locations, take a moment to confirm the scheduled time works for everyone. Then enter the names or email addresses of the participants. As you type, Teams may suggest contacts for you, which can make this step even faster. Be careful to add everyone who should be included, since the meeting invite will be sent based on the list you enter here. If needed, review the participant field once more to make sure no one has been missed. When everything looks correct, click Save. This final step creates the meeting and places it on your team's calendar. Your participants will then receive the invitation and the meeting will be ready for them to join at the scheduled time. And that's all it takes to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Once you've done it a few times, the process becomes very quick and easy.